Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Here's the first makeup tutorial of 2019. Happy New Year! I apologize for the vertical video, I just got my ring light and I was still figuring it out. I promise the next fit will be horizontal again. I started this look by contouring my face using Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Contour and Ultra Contour Palette. I started using the cream based product and then set it with powder. For the highlights I used Essence Cosmetics Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer and Banana Powder. I used BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette to create a stroke along my nose and cheeks. Make sure you blend the colors together. I used the same palette for my eyes. I applied a purple shade in my crease and blended that towards the outer corner of my eyes. I applied some concealer on my eyelids and added an orange shade all over. using NYX Cosmetics Glam Liner Aqua Lux in Glam Lagoon to draw a line along my crease. Then, using the liquid ink liner by Essence Cosmetics, I applied a liner like I normally would. I used the NYX Worth the Hype mascara to fill my lashes. Using a green shade of the Take Me to Brazil palette, I filled my brows and topped them with the same liner I used on my crease. Now for the fireworks. I used Marin Makeup Paradise Paint in white to create the explosions. Use small short strokes until you're happy with how it looks. For the smaller fireworks, I used the tip of a mascara wand. I applied some Prosade and added some gold glitter along the fireworks to create some glam. I used NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Havana and topped it with Sigma Beauty's Lip Switch in Transcend. To match the gold glitters, I added Maroon Precious Gem Powder in Tiger Eye to the center of my lip. And that's all, an easy New Year's look to start my looks for 2019. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check out my other videos. I'm aiming for 2,000 followers this year on my Instagram, so go check it out and follow me. The link is in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching and see you in the next video.